Improper communication.
Hey boss, I think we need to talk.
What happened?
Well, these few days, I've been thinking that you need to start paying me more. I mean, seriously, my skill and my workload is already over than what you're paying me for.
Oh, slow down. Why are you talking like this to me? Why should I consider to give you a rise?
Come on, isn't it obvious? I'm doing more than anyone else in this company. And I think you should recognize that and pay me more.
Look, I appreciate your work. Why you can just simply come in and ask you for a rise? You need to prove your work. What have you done?
Seriously? I've been carrying the team. And I think you should acknowledge that.
Hey, asking for a rise like this is not the way to go about it. Everything matters, you know. I need to see tangible results and a better approach before I even consider a rise.
Well, if that's the case, if you can't see my value, I think I should leave this company. I won't stick around here and you are not willing to pay me more.
Well, if that's how you feel, but let me be clear. Making trade like this would let them get anyway. If you are not happy, maybe it's time for you to leave.
Okay, fine.
Proper communication.
Good morning, Miss Cookhead. I hope you're doing well. I have something to discuss very important regarding my role here.
Have a seat.
Well, recently I've been reflecting on the contribution to the team and the company. So I was hoping to discuss about a salary increase. I believe my effort already positively impacted our project and goal.
I appreciate your work, but before we move into that, can you provide any specific of your accomplishments or additional responsibility that deserve a raise?
Thank you for your understanding, Ms. Phuket. So recently, I've been taking additional responsibilities and I also successfully completed some key projects for the company. And also, I consistently met and even exceeded our target.
Oh, I see. Let me take some time to review your recent performance and the details to make sure a fair salary adjustment.
Okay, Ms. Phuket, I genuinely appreciate your consideration. I value being a part of this team and the opportunities for growth here.
Your efforts are valued and we will ensure that you are recognized and rewarded fairly. And I will get back to you soon with an update. Thank you for bringing this to my attention.
Thank you so much, Ms. Phuket. I'm looking forward to hear your news.
You are welcome for the
Improper communication.
Hey, evening. Better I have a meeting with Kenwa in and out. The boss just dropped me a task, which is interview the new hires and train. As for now, I need you to help me about this task.
Seriously, why can't you do it yourself? I own my own stuff to do it.
Look, I spent all my time for the meeting later. I need you to help me for this meeting. This collaboration is important for the entire company.
This is your problem, not mine. Why should I care for you?
We are a team, Tiffany. You need to support me. The collaboration is significant for the entire team.
Team, only remember that it is convenient for you and my own career to worry about.
This affects your career too, Tiffany. When this collaboration goes well, all of us have a chance to raise our salary.
Dear man, you're just trying to throw your pass on me. I won't be a backup.
It's about success of the entire team, Tiffany. Can you see that?
Wow, now you share at me. Please be clear. Now it's you need my help, not I need you.
No, Tiffany. Why can't you just be more emphatic for me?
Then, why can't you do my task and still throw your pass on me?
I can't get to do it. You are unbelievable.
Whatever else, the task is set on you, not me. I've never had any.
Proper communication.
Hey, Tiffany. Hope I am not interrupting anything for you.
Not at all, Leon. What can I do for you?
Great. I have got a meeting with Canva later, and I still have received a task from the boss, which needs us to interview the new hires and train them. And as for now, it's a bit time sensitive for me.
Sure, Leon. I'm here to help. What do you need from me?
Thank you, Tiffany. I was hoping you can take a lead on this one. You have a fantastic ways of managing people, and I believe you will do excellent in this job.
I appreciate your confidence, Leon, and I'm happy to step in. Can you give me more detail about what the boss is looking for?
Yeah, I will believe Tiffany. I've prepared a document highlighting the key criteria and the questions. I will send over to you, right? And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out at me on the WhatsApp. I'm always available throughout the day.
Okay, so Leon, I will make sure to remember everything and reach out if I need any clarifications.
Just one more thing, Tiffany. Thank you for helping me about this. I owe you a meal. After this event, let's go for Starbucks fight night.
Thank you, Leon. I will do my best for the interview.
Thank you.
Improper communication.
Yes, boss. Please sit. Yao, I need this project complete by next week. It's crucial for our timelines.
I understand, boss, but I have my commitment, my interest. It would be helpful if I had received this earlier.
I'm not interested in any excuses. When I give you an order, I want you to finish it. And I want this submit by next week. Hear it?
I'm not trying to challenge your ability. I'm not enough the time. I have my own schedule. If I could have a bit more time, I can ensure the quality outcome.
Hey, what do you mean no time? I said you must finish it by next week. I give you an order, then you just do lah.
I want to complete, but the deadline is tight. Is any chance we can discuss or additional support of this time?
No discussion here. I give you an order and I say submit by next week, then you just do it lah. Why you find any excuses?
Just now I already mentioned I no time.
Okay, either you finish it, either face your consequence.
Okay, in this case, I will fire you.
Fine, you're fired!
Proper communication.
Hi Yao, hope you're doing well. So I need you to finish this project by next week. I know it's a little bit rush of time, but I hope you can do your best to finish it.
Good morning, boss. I get you brought this up, but I think I cannot finish it because I got another project to do.
This project has suddenly become urgent due to the certain client requirements, and I know we are in a bit of crunch here. I was wondering if you could possibility adjust your schedule or perhaps to work extra hours. So if you are willing to put in the extra effort, the company will make sure to compensate you for your overtime.
Okay, I understand, boss. This is very important for you, and I will try to assist my commitment if I can rearrange my schedule. However, I think also a bit rushing for me when facing the even have the extra time.
Okay, Yao, thank you for your honesty. Your honesty is appreciated. Well, I think you can try to find someone to help you in this project because it's a little bit hurry.
Thank you for your understanding, boss. I will try my best.
Okay, thank you, Yao. I truly appreciate the effort. So, if there is anything, you have to update to me. And thank you for your effort.
Improper communication.
Did you hear about Apple? She recently dating with the new accountant, Mark.
Dating?
Yeah,
Must?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, I think she's dating with him.
No way. Are you serious?
Yes.
How do you find out?
Well, you know, I'm very observant one.
Is it?
Yeah. I think they always like go out secretly, like cozy like that. I think they want to keep this thing just for themselves only and don't want to tell us. Yeah.
Wow, I had no idea people so private about her personal life. Is it?
Right. That's what caught my attention. You know that office love relationship is very juicy to gossip. I think Apple and Mark, that one is next level. Yeah.
What?
Hey, so funny, guys.
Oh, Apple? No lah. We just talking about you and the new accountant. I heard that you two went out last night.
Yeah, just spoil out a bit about your little day.
Yeah.
Really? But I don't remember I tell you to my personal life.
Oh, it's just office gossip. You know what's going on?
Just harmless fun. So, how was your day?
But that's not your business. My personal life is just that, my personal.
Come on, Apple. We're just curious. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, no need to be so defensive.
Yeah.
But you know, curiosity is one thing, but spreading rumors is another. If you guys got any question, then ask me directly. Don't spreading gossip like school children.
Apple, we don't mean to upset you. It's just a joke.
Yeah, lighten up a bit.
Yeah.
Joke should be fun, but not harmful to another. Okay? So keep your curiosity in check and mind your own business, okay?
Fine, Apple.
Whatever.
Proper communication.
I think Apple and Mark, that one is next level. Yeah.
Hi. Do you guys mind if I join you guys?
Yeah, sure.
I could not help but overheard a bit of two conversations. I guess my secret out.
Well, Apple, it's not like you're gossiping or anything, but it seems like you and the new officer Mark, you guys are very close recently.
Prepared of your conversation, relationship can be complicated, and I understand curiosity, but I wanted to share something with you both. Mark and I are indeed getting to know each other one better, and we value our privacy in these matters.
Whatever. We didn't mean to imply your privacy. Just that you know this thing is spread too quick in the office.
Okay, I understand that. That's why I wanted to address it directly. I believe communication is a key in maintaining a healthy work environment. Instead of speculating, feel free to ask me directly if you have any question. important for us to support each other. Do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think we should have approached this thing differently. Sorry if we make you feel uncomfortable.
It's okay, wait for the reply. I appreciate of your understanding. Let's focus on having a positive atmosphere in the workplace. And if anyone has question or concern, we can address them openly.
Sorry, Ethel.
It's okay.
And pay me more.
Look, I appreciate your work. But you can maybe it's time for you to leave.
It's fine. And I think you should recognize that and pay me more. I hope you're doing well.
来看，我们重新一个字啊。
按钮。
对我偷错哎。我没讲话你就叫我做哦。Should acknowledge that.
Hey, hold on.
Seriously? I should have told
3 action。
Come on.
你是什么问题？你现在？
我的美声咩？
来，你就会叫。
3、2。
OK。
你不是睡觉了咩？喂，睡啊，继续睡哦。哎，你吐了啊？editor 什么感想？他们讲很多废话。我的字幕会很辛苦。为什么你没有帮我们？帮你买水耶。哦，好，谢谢。